The sound Om, A, U, M, is the sacred chant of Sanatana Dharma, Hinduism. Sounds originate from 3 points in the human body. From the mouth, throat, and abdomen. The alphabets of any and every language must have these letters. Atom to the galaxies. So when there is a stimuli there is electromagnetic activity. Ultimately our brain decodes everything electromagnetically and it is converted into understandable message when they are processed and sent back. These vibrations as understood in the light of electromagnetism has thrown some interesting results. As said earlier, everything vibrates, including the Earth. And vibration causes resonance. Earth moves, is in motion and hence vibrates. So it ought to produce electromagnetic waves. Schumann resonances are the principal background in the electromagnetic spectrum beginning at 3 Hz and extending to 60 Hz, and appear as distinct peaks at extremely low frequencies, ELF, around 7.83, fundamental, 14.3, 20.8, 27.3 and 33.8 Hz. In the normal mode descriptions of Schumann resonances, the fundamental mode is a standing wave in the Earth ionosphere cavity with a wavelength equal to the circumference of the Earth. This lowest frequency, and highest intensity, mode of the Schumann resonance occurs at a frequency of approximately 7.83 Hz, but this frequency can vary slightly from a variety of factors, such as solar-induced perturbations to the ionosphere, which comprises the upper wall of the closed cavity. Citation needed. The higher resonance modes are spaced at approximately 6.5 Hz intervals Schumann resonance. Studies indicate the chanting of Om produces the same frequency as that of Earth, 7.83 Hz. Resonances of Earth, that is 7.83, 13.7, 19.6, 25.5, 31.4, 37.3 and 43.2 Hz of Earth. We all know 7.83 Hz being the strongest of all, Om or Schumann frequency. Om-7.83 Hz and -13.7 Hz E-19.6 Hz E-25.5 Hz Kli -31.4 Hz Chrome -37.3 Hz E-43.2 Hz. The Schumann resonances are the result of cosmic energy buildup within the cavity that exists between Earth's highly conductive surface and the conducting layer in the upper atmosphere called the ionosphere. The space between the surface of the Earth and the conductive ionosphere acts as a waveguide. The cavity is naturally excited by energy from lightning strikes. This ionospheric charge creates an electrical shield around the Earth. The atmosphere is a dielectric insulator, which separates the two. Thus a spherical capacitor as well as a spherical resonator is created and maintained. Electrical signals of sufficient wavelength, low frequency, are wave-guided around and around between this sphere within a sphere and is the base Schumann resonance of 7.8 Hz mainly traveling from west to east. 7.83 Hz or the alpha frequency is the gateway that leads into deeper states of consciousness. Most people are in an alpha state during the short time immediately before they fall asleep and when the conscious nervous system switches over to the subconscious. More information in the article Om Earth's Breath 7.83 Hz, Schumann resonance.